I have a question for you. Why do you wash my clothes at high temperature?
To eliminate the germs and stains from your clothes. I can adjust the water temperature based on your laundry.
Why do you keep rinsing my clothes again and again?
To minimize detergent residue from irritating your skin.
Why do you keep washing all day long?
I'm busy because you have so much laundry.
Why aren't you opening your door?
The water inside is very hot. Don't be so impatient.
Why are you so slim?
So that I can fit into narrow spaces.
Why are you so shiny inside?
I'm made of stainless steel, so I'm both resistant and sanitary.
Why did you come over to my house?
Maybe you should ask your mother. Baby care, always there.